In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Phantom wallet to Pump.fun. By the end of this simple guide, you'll have everything set up and ready to go, so let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to open up your web browser. Whether you're using Chrome, Firefox, or any other browser, just make sure it's up and running effectively. Then, head over to your search bar and type out Pump.fun. Press Enter, and this should bring up a list of search results related to the keyword. From these results, you'll want to look for the official Pump.fun site. It should be one of the top entries, but it's always a good idea to double-check that you're landing on the official website, just to keep everything secure. Once you find it, go ahead and click on the link to navigate to the homepage. Once you're on the Pump.fun site, locate the Log In button. This could typically be found in the top right corner of the page or somewhere obvious. Click on that, and you'll be presented with a couple of options. Here, you will need to either connect a wallet that you already have or create a new one. For the purpose of this video, let's assume you have one ready to go. Simply click on Phantom to begin the wallet connection process. Now, this will trigger the appearance of a window specific to the Phantom wallet. Within this new window, you should see an option labeled Connect. This step is about establishing a secure link between your wallet and Pump.fun, so feel free to click Connect. Next up is a confirmation screen. This is an important step designed to ensure that you're indeed the rightful owner of the wallet you're trying to connect. On this screen, you'll see an option to confirm the connection. Simply click on Confirm, and this will finalize the authentication process, guaranteeing that everything is set up properly and that you are the verified owner. Once this is done, you'll be presented with a field to enter your username. Take a moment to choose a username that you prefer, type it in the appropriate field, and then hit Save. And just like that, your Phantom wallet is now seamlessly connected to Pump.fun. This straightforward process not only secures the link between your digital assets and the platform, but also sets you up for a smooth and efficient user experience. So there you have it. In just a few minutes, you've connected your Phantom wallet to Pump.fun. Thanks for following along, and happy exploring.